So let's say that you want to share files with other members in the meeting while you're doing the meeting itself. So in order to do that, there is no direct way of attaching a file and sending it. Instead, what you have to do is you have to go up to your Google Drive, and here is where you have to upload the file. So you have to click on New here, go to File Upload, and then upload the file that you want to share with others. So in my case, I'm just going to go around over here, and let's say I'm going to share one document right here. So I'm just going to go around and share this new test document. So I'm just going to open it out, and that will be uploaded into Google Drive. So what you have to do is you have to create a shareable link. So you have to simply right click, and then you go over here on to get shareable link, just like this. And what you can do is set it to public. So anyone who has the link will be able to view the file and access it. So just like this, what you can do is here it says restricted. So just change it out to anyone with the link. And what happens is that others will be able to view it. So you can let them edit or comment. So I'm just going to set mine to view, copy the link, and press done. So go back to meeting right here over here. And then in the message, simply paste that in by pressing Ctrl V and send it out. So what the others will be able to do is they'll be able to click the link and view the file just like this. So they'll be able to view the new text document just like this and access the information just like this. So another way to have like a sharing feature turned on, let's say you need to share files continuously, then what you might want to do before you even start the meeting, that is while scheduling the meeting, you might want to have a Google Drive folder. So let me just see how we can do that. So I'm just going to close this out. I'm going to return back to home screen, and I'm going to schedule a meeting now. So I'm just going to go around into new meeting, and I'm going to schedule a meeting in Google Calendar just like this. So what here we can do here is that we have our schedule open up. So I'm just going to say test meeting just like this. Google Meet is here, and in the attachment I can attach a Google Drive folder. So let me just do that right here. So I'm going to go to drive.google.com and create a new folder, shareable folder. So I'm just going to go around and hit new, and I'm going to click on folder, and I'm going to say shareable folder just like this. And let me just correct this out, shareable folder. Okay, and I'm going to create this, and what I want to do is make this editable. So I can go over here, and then I can hit share, and what I'm going to do is change this to anyone with the link. I'm going to go around and change this to editor so everyone can organize and manage and share the files there. So I'm just going to copy the link right here, or I can search it over there as well. So I'm just going to press done. So shareable folder is here. So I'm just going to go here, and then what I can do is I can paste the shareable folder link right over here on the description, or even better, you can add the folder as an attachment. So simply go to attachment right here, and in my drive, just choose the folder, the shareable folder, which is editable. So just click on select just like this, and it has been attached as you can see right here. So let us just save this out and see the test meeting. So let us just go in. You can see that shareable folder is here as an attachment. So let us join with Google Meet, right? Just like this. So once you join in from Google Meet, so let's just go around and then join the meeting just like this. And in the meeting details, you can see the attachment, and over here there's the shareable folder which the other users will be able to access and manage. So they can go to the shareable folder, and what you can do is you can just add in, let's say for example, so it's being redirected onto that folder. And what happens is that they'll be able to upload and drop the files there, and it'll be attached with the meeting. So if there's any files that needs to be accessed, you want to share, you can say something like I've uploaded it onto the shareable folder. So you just simply go over here and then maybe upload your specific files right there, and others will be able to access it. So let us just upload something like this one, the test document itself. So that will be uploaded onto the folder right here, and everyone will be able to access that particular file from this attachment link called shareable folder. So that is how you can share files during a meeting inside of Google Meet. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.